explain you how to repair a C-drum or D-drum. This tutorial does not apply to any writers, either it's a CD writer or a D writer. Don't use this method, you are gonna ruin your writer. Now here we go. Here I've got a D-drum SSO square track in black. Also got a Phillips head screwdriver. This is the standard one. Nearly every single C-drum can be opened with this Phillips head screwdriver. And I've got a Q-tip. There's one more thing which I'm not showing here, and it's called the medical spirit we use for cleaning purpose. Now, here we go. Now one more thing. Here it's saying that don't use the DVD drum while it's open, and do follow this tip. Okay, the last thing you want is that laser entering your eye. Now, here you can see I've got a seal. Check for this seal in your C-drum or D-drum. Suppose you do have that seal, then don't open the D-drum. Confirm from the retailer that if you do have guarantee, then it will be like, ruining your own money. Just give this to your retailer if only if it's in guarantee. Then give it to your retailer, he'll get it fixed by himself. Now I'll start by opening all these 4 screws. Keep all these 4 screws with care. You don't want them to be lost, because if they get lost, for example, if this screw is missing, then a lot of dust will enter from here and your C-drum will get ruined very easily. Keep them with care. Now, take out this upper part. Do it with care. Don't apply too much force. We've got this plate out. The next thing we want to do is, as you can see, there's this little white part here. This one. This little white part here. Okay. Just push it like that. Okay. That way, the tray comes out. Now what you do is flip it like that. Just keep this away from center. Put it like this. Take the DVD out. I've got a DVD right here. I'm just gonna keep it away right now. Now the next thing you want to do as you can see, there are these little plug sort of things. Just put your screwdriver over here, press it hard, and pull your frame out. Your frame comes out from here and will automatically come out from there too. It's very necessary to take out the frame. Now the frame and the tray are very delicate parts. You don't want them to be broken, so take it out with the deep care. Flip it like this. Take the upper part. Now this is the main mechanism behind a C-drum or D-drum. I'm going to explain you a little about these things here. This is where your DVD or CD goes. This is where it spins. For example, if I keep my DVD here, the circle will sit over this part. Okay, and this little part here, as you can see, is like a little mirror. Let me show you a little bit clearer. Yeah, now this part is the spin, and this is called the lens. You have to clean this. Don't touch it, because the oil on your fingers will get on it and you'll get a lot of trouble later on. You'll end up ruining your C-drum. Now we gotta clean 2 things here. First the lens, and then this spindle. Take the Q-tip and dip it, and we'll dip it in the spirit or something. Don't use a tissue paper, always use a Q-tip, because a tissue paper, by using a tissue paper, you'll end up with the residue and with the little threads left behind. You don't want that happening here. Now here we go. I've got the Q-tip. Bring it over here and run it in a circle. Do it in a clockwise direction. ERC drum is clean. Now we are just gonna undo all the things we just did back. The first thing you want for it is this tray. Now remember, if this part, the upper part has got some dust on it, then first clean it, because then it'll fall over your lens and it'll again mess up the whole thing. Put it back. Make sure it's placed perfectly. Then flip it. Pull the frame back and let it settle on these grippings here. It's closed. Now pull the tray in. Don't do it with too much force, just softly. Take this back, take this plate and slide it slowly through here in the frame, to the frame, and then just slowly push these ends. They'll settle down automatically. Set. Okay. Now you take all those 4 screws and put them back. Just be careful with this, okay? It's a very delicate device. You have to be careful taking out this frame and everything. I'm not responsible